Hey everyone, quick video before we start. We just hit 1,000 subscribers. I genuinely appreciate every single one of you who watched, liked, commented, or shared my videos. I started this channel just trying to break down money and life in the simplest way possible. And the fact that you're here this early means a lot. Thank you for supporting the journey. Now, let's get into why you came. Let me ask you something real. Have you ever felt like life is moving too fast and your bank account is moving too slow? Like you're trying, working hard, doing everything right, but one unexpected problem can ruin your entire week. That used to be Sticks. No matter how hard he tried, life kept punching him from every direction. And honestly, a lot of us are living this same movie. But something wild happens when you finally save your first $10,000. Not millions, not retirement money, just 10K. It shifts your mindset. It changes your confidence. It rewires the way you think about life. And if nobody has ever explained why, today I will. But first, let me show you exactly how life looked for Sticks before 10K, and how everything flipped after. But before we jump in, listen closely to this part. Most people quit videos like this halfway, but the biggest mindset shift, the one that actually changes your life, is at the end. The thing I'm going to tell you in the last 60 seconds is the same shift that took Sticks from financially anxious to financially confident. And to make sure you don't miss it, I'm going to show you the 3 signs that you're one good decision away from changing your whole financial life. Most people never hear these. And that's why nothing changes for them. So stay till the end. If this video doesn't shift something inside you, nothing else will. Before the $10,000, the survival era. Before your first 10K, everything feels stressful. Every decision feels dangerous. Life feels like a video game where you spawn with no armor, and everything does 100% damage. You're not dumb. You're not irresponsible. You're just living in constant survival mode. And survival mode kills long-term thinking. This was Sticks, trying to invest, trying to save, trying to plan. But life kept stealing his money like a glitch. Hitting 10K, the internal switch. When you hit your first 10K, something changes. Not outside, inside. Your brain goes from, "I hope I survive," to, "I can finally plan." You stop reacting and start thinking. Why the first 10K changes everything. There are 3 reasons the first 10K hits different. Reason 1, stability, better decisions. When your life stops being chaotic, you stop making desperate choices. You stop taking random jobs. You stop chasing quick money. You think clearly. The second reason, confidence goes up. Your self-esteem jumps. You walk different. You make choices differently. You don't fear unexpected expenses because you're covered. The third reason, your money finally starts working. 10K isn't a lot, but it's enough to start building. Now listen, the next part is the real transformation. Most people don't reach this point in the video. But this is what separates people who stay stuck from people who outgrow their old lives completely. I'm about to show you the 5 things that change automatically once you hit your first 10K. Not motivational talk. Real-life changes you will feel. If you're still here, you're already ahead of 90% of people. Here's the part nobody warns you about. When you hit $10,000, your brain starts acting like you downloaded a new operating system. Suddenly, you can smell bad decisions from a distance. Your old self is like, "Let's buy it." Your new self is like, "Relax, brother. Check the price difference on 3 websites first." Congratulations, you have officially unlocked financial paranoia mode, and trust me, it's a good thing. But wait, before you think saving 10K is just vibes and confidence boosts, here's the twist. The 10K point exposes you. It shows your weaknesses, your habits, your excuses.
When I saved my first $10,000, I had this moment where I looked at the number and thought, wow. So the problem was me the whole time? Painful realization, but so accurate.
But here's the part that will make or break your entire future. Most people reach 10K and lose it in less than 6 months. And if you're still watching right now, you're about to learn the exact 3 traps that make people lose their 10K and how Sticks avoided all of them.
Don't skip this part. I lost $10,000 before, and I promise you, nobody is too smart to make stupid decisions.
Trap 1. Lifestyle explosion. The moment some people see 10K, their brain whispers, "You deserve a little enjoyment." And boom! Suddenly, they're upgrading everything. New phone, new clothes, new snacks, new everything. As if the money is allergic to their bank account. If you can't live on 5K, you can't live on 10K, and 100K will finish you. Trap 2. The fake investment era. This is the stage where people suddenly believe they are the next Warren Buffett. They start investing in anything with a shiny website. Forex they don't understand. Crypto coins named after animals. Business ideas that only make sense at 2 a.m. Please hear me. If you can't explain your investment to a 12-year-old, you have no idea what you're doing. Trap 3. The you thinking you've made it syndrome. 10K is not final boss money. It's chapter 1 money. The real growth starts after you build discipline around it. 10K doesn't change your life. The person you become while saving it does. Transition to the big lesson. And now we're at the most important part of the entire video. The part people say changed their life the fastest. If you've been watching till now, this is the moment you came for. Here's what actually changes after you save your first $10,000. Your time value changes. You stop doing everything alone. You stop wasting energy on things that don't move you forward. You start thinking like someone whose time is expensive. Because it is. 2. Your friend circle changes. Not because you cut people off, but because peace starts feeling better than unnecessary drama. When you have 10K saved, hanging out with negative people feels like deleting your own progress manually. 3 opportunities start finding you. People trust disciplined people. You become the friend people come to with real ideas. Doors open. Connections form. Your confidence rises. 4. Your financial future gets predictable. With 10K saved, you can finally think beyond survival. You can start planning. You can take small risks. You can build things. The 10K rules. If you take nothing else from this video, take these 5 rules. 1. Don't flex it. 2. Don't blow it. 3. Don't freeze it. 4. Don't rush it. Don't invest in anything you can't teach. Saving 10K won't make you rich, but it will make you dangerous. Dangerous to your old habits. Dangerous to your excuses. And dangerous to the version of you that thought you'd never get this far. If you're on the journey to your first 10K, you're not behind. You're not late. You're not failing. You're building the version of you who will never be broke again. Like and subscribe if you want the next episode. What happens after you hit 50K saved? See you in the next one.